Ebusham for aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusham for Burkina Faso. Omudi ban abeto mu tomatoes. Muka say some 1 month or 2 months ago. Ghana for bi echo Burkina Faso mu koto tomatoes. And terrorists for ko attack you or anko for bebre wuye. Na Burkina Faso for say muno. In fact, ema obi amba Burkina Faso have tomatoes bi. You see, say Akufo-Addo say yankai na asrea, ebe kai nesu. Yeah. If you don't remember Akufo-Addo and smile, we will remember him and cry. Akufo-Addo buy no, or the planting for food and jobs. Buy. Planting for food and jobs. And the reason Akufo-Addo did planting for food and job buy, Mr. Hatmida say. And he said, he wanted us to achieve self-sufficiency. Just say, produce what we wanted here in Ghana. Say tomatoes, say onion, say yam, say what cassava, whatever. He wanted us to do it here. Now start planting for food and job. No, and your feedback was same. It's on 1 year issue. Sometimes 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you start seeing actual result. But Ghana for you need patience. We don't have patience. And I come to you, and I come to you, dodo. And I planting for food and job. Yeah, who she? And we follow the propaganda of John Dramani Mahama. Mahama to make us say, Mahama no, John Mahama no, His Excellency. Or to make call ni chrome, Bole, and was telling people say, in Sua and 2024 no, Akufo-Addo bad luck enti. Mahama no. That is what he told his people. Oko Bole no. Say ensure because of climate change, we don't have enough rain. Heat air course so. Say 2024 before the election. No? Or say Akufo-Addo ni MPP for bad luck in to. Me ya say me former account TikTok for ban and catch video me post here. That is your mama for you. Ene. Burkina Faso for say, Ghana for muntina o mainemo. Muntina mu mainemo. E ma obi beto tomatoes wa habium. And I'm not joking about it. I'm damn serious. That is what Burkina Faso has done. And as Burkina Faso has placed a ban on export of tomatoes, no, Bisami say, does John Mahama, does NDC government have any alternative? No. NDC government, led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, they don't have any alternative. And I'm sure say very soon they will send Okujeto. Some more solution be abeye nunkwan. Omesuma Okujeto say o de ko Burkina Faso honum. Ko patra o de acho say o ye de ya ni plan bia o. Adwemu ndo enti o de tomatoes no ma Ghana nkwan why. That is NDC approach for you. How long? And please prepare to pay more for tomatoes from the coming week. Coming week, no. Prepare to pay more for tomatoes. You can start sending your.
Now the cow banga, I'm right. Also, Pia Wakeli. Near a moment to €200, $200 there be. Unya 1,000 euros fakokre. Unya 2,000 euros fakokre. Now so shit sunya kre. Because John Dramani Mama memuna obuno. Eye aza amamu. Eye fake. No quality enye day. Enim. Kohe Tanzania, he Kenya, he Nigeria, he Cote d'Ivoire, he South Africa. Baby musika no. Wana. Bibia no echese. Atu force in nyansa sene sanko for no. Eso governor no massive phone in United. 2 year Ghana ni. Now ti abrochire na we aduma. Now what did the cow banga? And makane na wanim be 5 years, 10 years. Samre na John Dramani mama tu sam anamo no. Also bobo sika no. Nefa crest a debt ni nyina. Dr. Baomi abeba 2020 ayi no. Na wo ne ka bia. Na wo so wait manyeska. Ade ayo project because amembo na nkofo ni bu no. No kwale no mo nka no kore. Enche Ghana fo. Na nam se o ma me man centrofo bi ne nkofo bi sika mo madi amen na sefo no. Ghana fo hu ni mo ebri. Na emre di anim no. Ghana fo be hu enema be brebe hu John Drama. O say I was study John Drama ni mama. Okwa dwabo ase ko team pajanity. 1 year pe. O team pajanity because and some o kanyina wo hini bi onam biala. A o kase on team pajanity hwe ne manfo ase no sisi ni trase ase una wo hu se bibi koso. How say oh my Ghana yentum twa chicha foka. How say oh my Ghana yentum twa na ese foka. Hwe empanyidie ya de maw. Na wo wo yo adwe so be bo man ne kro no a de enema eba ni. Se ye de panyidie maw. O maame awu agya nkra miensa. O maame wo dan wo Uniba. O maame ti ase ojeje dan ne sika na orehwe nkra no. E ma nkra ne tim kwa apam secondary school mu koba. O maame wu na abedi na de a afedi onua mu ntim nko apam secondary school o maame dan no so. O ye abusu am ye so aje obusa sa. Maame ti ase japade o ya na no de hwe nkra yi. Eye den na ebedi unsem 1 year pe untimi fa hwe o man ma no. E kyerese nkofo bi elodu musikasie. Nkofo bi bom krom. Ti Ghana fo abusuafo. Obian fa the destiny o ti abrochira enye aduma gidi ukoje £1,000 na do mama no te ho no more time 100 million no na sesa no na abusuafo de kototo ne ma akese no tim. We yes I a mistake. Wo de ka ewe America ba bia Canada we aduma samre ene che wo tua ho aka ukobusa financial yi bi obeka cho say yes samre na che wo tua ho aka because John Dramani mama ba London no o se Ghana sikasema ayeyie o di sikana ba phone to obe o tua Ghana ka etisi ono kro no ye oman no so o tua Ghana ka o so di unya sika wa bruchira wo di ka akọ bank na change contract na tua na mfiri ho because wo sika na ade kọ Ghana no national health insurance on fa bi ntua ma wo mu a nurse for on fa bi ntua ma wo mu a teacher for on fa bi ntua ma wo mu enti and then na kufu ado time wo kọ hospital ye bo ye je Ghana card na ye information ma ene ni nyina wo twem wo ti abrochina wo ye aduma na wo send sika no kofie hu e fa so bia ne so kifu sika di embesumet makana no pa ya
Meda
sia oni mi aba na ebusuafo nyina
mejo
fa so bia ne so
Edwin one Wycliffe there otum say politics in there modi achiache na aya na times mo analysis ha mo ye no ene mo submission ha mo ye no eboa ema oman no obi nima obi kire ema obi so efa enema pa eto no patro page ni so en like obi timi a share but men like it you know no so na any idea.
That's fine. All right, so first of all, I just want to wish the teachers, trainee good luck, because I think very soon they'll be going to write their licensure exam, something that the current president promised to cancel. I think somewhere next week, Tuesday, they'll be writing it.
I see.
The government promised to cancel that particular licensure exams. But you see, this is a government that does not speak the truth. The government that really came to power through the back of lies and deceits. So I'm not shocked that today, something that the president promised to cancel, we have the majority leader standing in parliament and making a statement emphatically saying that the government never promised to cancel teacher licensure exams. I was very shocked, but I wasn't surprised because that's the modus operandi of the NDC. But there are videos where the president himself indicated that should they get power, they will abolish, and it's even in their manifesto, page 99, it is there, that they will abolish the teacher licensure exam and integrate it into the process of the final exams. Basically meaning that should the student go to level 100, level 200, level 300, level 400, once you write your final exams, it automatically means you've qualified to attain a license. But this is the government that promised that to teachers, teacher trainees. But today, they are giving us a new narrative. But I just want to wish them very well. I want to wish the teachers well that, listen, all of us have been scammed. It's not only you. All of us have been scammed. So you just go through, and then inshallah, if God should give us all life and good health in 2028, you juxtapose the government who will be giving you more promises in 2028. That one you should be ready for it. They will promise you something beyond 24-hour economy. They will promise you something beyond 1 million coders program. They will be giving you promise beyond a Jumeirah program. They will give you promise beyond level 100, no fee stress. They will give you so many promises in 2020. And they will try to convince you on why they were not able to implement all the things that they promised. And I can promise you that they will add MPP, being the reason why they've not been able to implement their policies.
Meaning say platform me a big, but no. I was the city no was a car. And yen bu ana kasa twitwi. Nemu asem no se the city. Hwe o my Ghana na yetina. Ye probi o ye dufru pe. Ye probi o ye trofo. Ye probi a wonnim ne awoya. Eye mampanyi President John Dramani Mahama. Because papa no na no ye du. O ka asem o ka se padwoni hwe soro. Na wan pa o wasema fa wa de ahwe fam. Bo ho bibi firi so ba beto atoboni. O ye dufru pe. Na me ndi se fama me misa mo ada obi ani nyi se ono so ba baje mo mama nyoko na kita no ono so adi animu na sebe mo so ma ba be kita amanyoko no John Dramani Mahama enko na enye sika e wo Ghana nyina no no kwa fanrane party nda bia na momo nko na ase enko ye samasa na ene de ye mo cup of tea but me de me gina o Ghana for into obi ani o mani mo on gold concession on the onye bi obeya ebebo just Ibrahim Mahama ne John Mahama nenia mo forso a friend is a gold fields for mo surrender omo mining site o jia ma wunu na no ya na woje ba akoma no adan kokwakuya 4 penkwa say ye kasa wuntu ya wonka wanya sika de ama wunu ya koto private jet ama Oba ye obi apepe gold agu wo ba beton ehene fokra na atoma wuma ye bisa wo divert attention wo buy on pesika bi engu obi sika abepe na wudi no be ka chese economy ayeye enansa ne wo finance minister say okoboro ye no di twa adwumayefo ka economy ayeye kokwakua fo ye kasa wuntimi ntwa wonka me se maame ba ko odifo osina na okodwom obi oton adwena ye adwene no ye ton nkenten mu no so ko 200 cedi sales no ye ofa aka afra yin kroko kageti ano eno nko aka esika na je at the end of the day no was 200 cedis eno ya ena ye mitimi ton ya me de bai edwom for ma esu obeka che say economy ayi me see en che kra na me video say no price of gas fuel no and determine by buy on so eye crude bo eno na buy bia de chere board ebeje nti fuel bo na eba from ni mfra ba ni na enu ani na nsa na okojina parliament o se wa na wa manso ate na afedi ade ache na ze ekosro dia eye Israel ne Iran tokwa na ama fuel bo ekosro me se sa brawe won ensem dia se bebrebe obama teachers automatic posting na fekra de tu aje ko tu bribe na je appointment letter kra wunya no obenye automatic posting obi ono eba ye wapam nipa over 54,000 ayi on